Hello, it's Jeff from peogames again with another unboxing of Black Cat Legend of the Scale Bust, the exclusive version with a nameplate. I'm quite excited about these nameplates because, as you maybe have seen, I got the Back in Black Spider-Man. I was really impressed by that nameplate anyway. So let's see about this one. Oh, a gift card. Now I've pulled up all my gift cards. Here's gift cards, gift cards, gift cards, gift cards, gift cards. If you need one, just send me an email. I will give you $25. I emailed the code so you can use them. I got too many. I can't use them all. So if you need one, just email, please. I help a fellow collector. Anyway, I can't use them all. That's the way it is. And here we go with the unboxing again. I do like this and this. Ooh, really nice. Like the box anyway. And we go like this, and it goes like that. Not like that one. And we go like this. Here's the front, the exclusive label. Nice picture. There's the side of it, and the other side is like the same. There's the back of it. There's a whole bust showing some information. Yeah, maybe I'll do a review someday. Let's bust up the bust.
Number.
Yeah, number. My wife says that. God damn it. I'm getting old. Yeah, the number is... Ooh, 25 out of 300. That's a good number. That's a really good number. That I like. And we didn't get it right. Oh, this one smells a lot. Yeah, she got hootenanny singers. No, seriously. Not hootenanny singers. Hooters, 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 Hooters. And she's, sorry, madam, but I gotta touch your Hooters. Whoa, it's huge. This one's huge. Just look at the hair. I can see it on your cleavage. No, sorry. Don't look down on... Dude, your wife is filming. Yeah. Behave. Sorry. Not a big nameplate, but here it is. It's quite cool. Spider-Man's nameplate is much bigger, but the hair. Just look at the hair. There's quite a big flow on the hair, actually. As you can see, very zippers. Yes, dangling. That was like a real zipper. Like the medallion up here. It's fucking beautiful. And yeah, I'm very pleased with this one. Absolutely. And here's the nameplate. I hope you have enjoying this as much as I did. Probably not. I'm just a dumb Swede, but anyway, I enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it. So until next time, hi, goodbye.